Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know what? It's Easter time and I have got my Easter meal already prepared. And I'm going to show you a few tips to make it really easy for you this year. We're going to do some cheating and make it quick and easy. The first thing I did is, we always have so many hard-boiled eggs for Easter, and what do you do with them all, right? What's the best thing to do with them? Deviled eggs. I added several different types of seasoning. I added dill weed, garlic powder, I did parsley, and several other items that I put in there. I'm telling you what, you are gonna love this one because it packs a punch with flavor. If you go on my blog, you'll find the full recipe there. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the ham. And the thing is, with hams, they are fully smoked. So that means they're basically fully cooked. All I'm gonna do is heat this ham to 140 degrees. That's all you have to do. Prior to putting it in the oven, what I did is I scored the ham and I stuck in little whole cloves to give it that extra flavor. And now I took it out because I wanna add my glaze. Is this amazing or what? This absolutely looks beautiful. I can't wait to eat it, so I'm gonna quickly get it in the oven so I can enjoy it real soon. The next recipe I want to show you is a potato recipe. Everybody has to have potatoes with their ham. And what they're called is cheesy scallop potatoes. Now, what is cheesy potatoes without Crystal Farms cheese? You just can't have it. So we're going to put in our Crystal Farms cheese, and the next step is I needed to grab the Simply potatoes. They're already sliced, they're already cooked. Now I don't have to peel, I don't have to chop them up. This is gonna be so easy for me and it's gonna be so easy for you. So let's get started and get these potatoes done. Okay, the potatoes are out and they look fantastic. While those were cooking, I was cooking carrots because you have to have carrots with your Easter dinner. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a different type of glaze to it, and it's got orange marmalade in it. Okay, and then my last ingredient, I'm just going to sprinkle some pecans over them. So now we have our main course, which is our Four Brothers ham. We've got our cheesy potatoes, and remember, with Crystal Farms cheese, we've got our beautiful fresh carrots. We've even have an appetizer to start us off with, but one option we cannot forget is our dessert. And I'm so excited because the bakery department again has come out with some great new items. The first item, and kids are going to absolutely love them, they're unicorn cookies and they're so beautiful, along with Easter cupcakes. Another new item, we have a blueberry lemon combination cream cake, and it is delicious. The pineapple upside down cake is awesome, but my absolute favorite is the pistachio bars. They are phenomenal. So make sure you stop in, check out our bakery items. Very easy meal to prepare for Easter, and I wish all of you a very happy Easter and a safe Easter. And we'll see you in a few weeks.